I must provide unique user identifier and password. No one can access the database without an identifier, a user ID, and a password. I must limit the access to some people. Not everyone can access the database or disperse the data. I must track the access every now and then. I must have a written policy for tracking the access. Okay? They call it audit trail. You know the word audit trail? Audit trail, there are people living in the desert, especially in our countries. Some people are specialized in following the footsteps to know who moved here and where did he go. So they are following the steps. This concept is called audit trail. Audit trail. It means following the footsteps. How can I do it in a database? We took the IT role, the IT department, and the role of everyone, right? You remember the CSO, the Chief Security Officer. You remember the network administrator. That's their role. Sometimes the audit trail is the task or is the duty of the CSO, and sometimes it is the duty of the network administrator. Every time you log in, it is saved in the Windows. If you have your laptop with you, if you have Windows, just open the control panel. Go to Administrative Tools and click Event Viewer.
Control panel, right?
Yes, Control Panel, Administrative Tool, Event Viewer. Okay. Anyone who need help?
Yes.
Who?
Me.
Okay, and come. You have Windows or Mac? Expand the... change this to small icons. So it was anyone need help here? Change this to small icons. Because you make large icons, so you anyone need help? Some people has large icons in the control panel. They will not see the administrative tools. Just click change the view to small icons. You will find all the icons. Then press administrative tools. Then event viewer. Okay. In this event viewer, everything happened on your PC. It is recorded here. If you logged in to your Windows at 5 a.m., you will find it that someone logged to this account at 5 a.m. If there is an error and the system crashes and closed down, you will find this event recorded here. It's a database in itself, but it records every event. If there is, sometimes when you are exploring using the Windows Explorer or something, you find an alert saying that the system will crash or there is a problem and the Explorer has, you like me to send a report to Microsoft or not? Anyone send this report before?
Let me ask. Can we relate this to a system set like when you have a server and you set up internet system, internal internet system where people log like logo, like
it's found.
photos.
Yes, it's already, every network has something like this.
Alright.
That the network administrator or the CSO, we talked about this, build a system like this, or have a software which handles the login on the network. So if someone in the floor above logged into his computer, it is recorded in a certain software. So the network administrator can do the audit trail and check who has logged and with which username and password.
Is it also applicable in a case where everyone who has an ID on his or her PC, for example, you send me a mail,
Yes.
and to be able to confirm that I have accessed that mail, when I log to that mail,
Yes, it's present. It's present.
Okay.
Most of you are using the Hotmail and Google, but some mail services and some email clients, email softwares enable you